Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang doji candle and below average yung volume. So meaning undecided pa yung market. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. 4 hours time frame kung makikita natin after ng selling pressure. May sumasalo pa rin sa support area natin. That's a good news for us na meaning nasa buyers pa rin yung momentum natin. So still the same yung possible scenario natin. If i-respect niya to, is possible continuation lang to ng uptrend. And yung invalidation natin, since meron tayong previous higher low dito, the moment na ma-break niya yung trendline support natin and magkaroon ng volume, so possible mag-change bias tayo. But currently, yung pinapakita ng BTC is still we are on a uptrend momentum.